Is Google Ads confusing? Well, the simple answer really is yes, it is confusing. It takes a lot of getting used to. It's actually a little bit more complicated than Facebook's Ads Manager. And there are a lot of moving parts, a lot of uncertainties when trying to launch a Google ad. So we've gone ahead and made it super, super simple for you to be able to run Google Ads for your real estate business. So what I'm going to show you right now is a very easy 3-click 31-second launch strategy for you to be able to launch successful Google Ads. So let's get into it. So inside Property Funnels, we already have a range of pre-done campaigns and templates for you. So depending on what you're trying to advertise on Google, you're basically just going to pick one of these. So let's go ahead and just pick recruits for now. So when you click on recruits, you're going to get this little button here to click on real estate opportunity. So on our back end, we've already created the campaigns with the keywords, the audience signals, and then all you really have to pick is what your landing page is. So if you're a Property Funnels client, you will have a landing page that you can plug in here, and then what your daily budget is and where you want the ad to run, as well as a tracking phone number. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in daily budget. So let's just start with 100 Rand, and let's just put in our website. So let's assume that is your landing page. For your tracking phone number, if you have a number already installed inside your Property Funnels account, you would use that number. However, Google will track phone calls, so you can use, for example, your office number or your cell phone number, whichever one works for you. So we're going to select the country, and we're going to just put in South Africa here. And I'm just going to put in my number for now. And then here, you're going to actually end up doing this once to upload your logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Client Media. If your logo is not already in here, you're going to click on Upload Media, and you're going to add your logo here, a 1080 by 1080, so essentially a square image. So let's just choose Client Media and go down here to this one. I'm going to select my logo, and I'm going to go down to where I want the ad to run. So you can run your ads on a radius of 10 miles or further using the address. So you can pop in your address, and it's going to draw a 10-mile, in this case, 10-mile radius around that address. However, if you want to choose cities, states, and regions, so for example, provinces and countries. So if you're running in South Africa, we do not have zip codes, you can't use that option. But let's go ahead and just pick a city for now. And I'm just going to choose the city that I live in. So I just want to use Pretoria. And I'm going to pick Pretoria. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit launch campaign. So that would, without me talking, take all of about 31 seconds. So while the campaign loads, what's happening is it's building an entire Performance Max campaign on your Google Ads account. So you will have already integrated and connected your Google Ads account. And then what we're going to do once this campaign is launched, we're going to hop into our Google Ads account, and we're going to just update one thing to unpause the asset groups that are getting created in the moment. So wait for it to launch, and then I'll see you inside the Google Ads interface. Okay, so the campaign had launched successfully. That took about a minute to do. Now what we're going to do is inside our Google Ads account, as you can see, I've just chosen the Performance Max campaigns to make it really easy for me to just find it. And then at the bottom over here, you will see the real estate opportunity. So this would be, it would look something like this. It would have your brand name here because it would be coming from your account, but you would see PMax Real Estate Opportunity. You can see there's the budget, and it's a Performance Max campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that campaign, and we're going to see unpause your asset group. So in order for these ads to run, we're going to click on Fix It. And then once we do that, we're going to select the campaign and take it from a pause to an active campaign. You can see the images are already created for you. The logo is already included by you. Headlines are done, long headlines are done, descriptions are done, etc., as well as the keywords. So what you can see here is it shows a paused status. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click on that and change it from a pause to enable. When we do that and we click refresh, we should see a, let's just go back to the campaigns. So let's just go back here just to make sure that our change was effected correctly. And while it's doing that, we'll just get a Okay, there we go. So I just had to take it for a second there because it was just taking too long to load. But what you can see here is the campaign has been created. It's under policy review, so they're going to go and have a look at all the assets, all the headlines, all the targeting criteria, just to make sure it meets their standards. And then it's going to start delivering impressions. And that generally takes around about the first day. You'll start to see some impressions, and you'll also start to see some clicks. Once somebody converts on those ads, we'll start to see some conversions. So conversion is a traffic source. So for example, somebody clicks on the Google ad, goes to your landing page, fills in the form, that is considered a conversion. So when that happens, you will start to see a number on this conversions tab in terms of how many you're getting, what it's costing you to get, and so forth. So that concludes a very easy tutorial to show you exactly how you can launch successful Google Ads using Property Funnels.